Hi, good day. In the corporate world, when any of your friends happens to introduce you to any big person or someone who holds a particular position within the corporate world or within the organization or institution you find yourself, avoid going to meet that person without your friend's permission or knowledge. Unless it has been stated otherwise or contrary by your friend, always make sure that you avoid going to meet that person without your friend's permission or notice. I strongly believe that going to meet that person without your friend's permission or knowledge is unethical. So always make sure that you avoid going backdoor to meet that person without asking or allowing your friend to know about that move. This is what I have to say. Let me know in the comment section what you also believe or what you also think about this particular topic. At AG Professional Services, we do it right.